Hello, Dara here again, and today I want to show you the Quntis 31.5 LED desk lamp that will be a perfect fit for your multi or ultra-wide monitor setup. We'll talk about the features and benefits of the LED lights later on in this video, but first let us go do the unboxing and I'll show you the setup experience of the Quntis 31.5-inch LED desk lamp. So let's go to that right now. The packaging of the Quntis 31.5 LED desk lamp is straightforward. It is really huge. That's one thing you should know. It is long, so you should have some space to do the unboxing, as I had to place it diagonally on my own desk. I actually didn't think it would be this big when I got the packaging. I thought it would be the usual Amazon packaging, but hey, that's what it is. But in the box, it's very much straightforward. You can see general information on the box about how you can control the Quntis 31.5 LED desk lamp features. But now let's actually go open up the box and see what the packaging really looks like. We'll just lift the flap around the box and then place it gently on the table, and then we're greeted with the packaging directly. Of course, the first thing you see in the box is the user manual that tells you how to use the Quntis 31.5 LED desk lamp. Let's put that away for a moment and actually go look at the box. We just have some fun packaging here, and then we made the power adapter, which you plug into the desk lamp from the base, and then you see the desk clamp and base, and then the rod that goes up. The base there is where you plug the power cable, and then that goes up, and then that's the gooseneck, which is adjustable on your desk. You see the cable right there? That is what you plug into the head of the desk lamp. So let's put that away now and let us look at the desk lamp itself, which is the final item in the packaging of the Quntis 31.5 LED desk lamp. And then finally, we made the light itself, which is really long. It contains about 120 LED lights, multicolor temperature, stepless dimming, and all the nice features around it. So go open that up, and then we are ready to now set up the Quntis 31.5 LED desk lamp. See what that looks like? Just looks so beautiful. Now let's go set this up. I'm gonna have to stand up now to do the setup actually. But before I do that, I need to plug in to the power cable around the back, unscrew the desk clamp so it fits perfectly on my desk. And then at the head top, I just push that in to clip in, and that's it. And then I get the power cable right in the back of it. So I'm just gonna fit that around my monitor setup. I got a lot of stuff actually clamped to my desk, but it's straightforward to put in once it's readily fitted. And it's easily adjustable around your desk also. So once I get the perfect fitting for it, I screw it in, and then it's very much ready to go. Hey, when I was doing this unboxing, I was actually drinking some very nice cup of tea. So you might want to get one when you're doing yours. Just kidding, you don't have to. And I just get the power cord in now. And boom, that's it. Of course, when I'm doing my recording, I have to move my camera setup from there, because I'll have to adjust some little bit of settings there. But of course, you can see how it pans through my monitor, and then I plugged in the power already, and then I can adjust the color temperature. I can adjust the brightness level, which is really good for me. You can see how bright the LED lights are. The gooseneck right there is what I am using to adjust the view of the lights on my desk. The Quntis 31.5 LED desk lamp features touch controls for switching on, setting the color temperatures, brightness levels, and the auto dim button. The gooseneck makes it adaptable to your various monitor heights and levels. Some of the main benefits of using a desk lamp for me is that it reduces the screen glare on your eyes, prevents direct light from the monitor getting in your face, and reduces eye stress while lighting up your desk area. The Quntis 31.5 LED desk lamp is designed to fit to the edge of your desk with a thickness of up to 4 inches, which is about 10.2 centimeters. Thanks to my friend at Quntis for sending this over. You can check out the Quntis 31.5 LED desk lamp out on Amazon using the link in the video description or the pinned comment on this video. It comes in black and white colors, so you can have a pick of your choice of colors if you want to. I particularly use this once the sun sets in my once the sun starts setting on my desk, so I can have my nightlife coming to life while I do some work on my computer. The power rating is about 24 watts and it has about 1100 lumens of brightness. That is why you can be rest assured that you get bright light and also you'll be saving some power while actually using the Quntis LED desk lamp for your setup. I'd recommend this Quntis 31.5 LED desk lamp for anyone who works at a desk and proper lighting and eye care is a priority for them, which I think should be for you, especially if you work long hours in front of a computer screen. As a DevOps engineer from day to day and for content creator, I spend upwards of 12 hours at my desk daily, and this has been a great help to me in taking care of my eyes and actually brightening up my setup. Now, that's it about the Quntis 31.5 LED desk lamp. I hope you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comment section if you're considering getting one of these. Till I come your way again with another video on my YouTube channel, I say stay safe and goodbye.